There seems to be a little bit of confusion about what I mean by a cropped image, or at least I've been getting some questions. And so I thought I'd just make a quick video to see if I could help explain just exactly what I'm talking about for this project. Now, what we have here is we have two figures. Neither one of these figures is cropped. They are inside this frame. And I want you to explore these three different ideas using a cropped edge or a cropped figure. I'm going to make this figure here just a little bit bigger and move it over to the side and then place it. I think I'll take this figure and kind of put it here. Now, what we're doing is we're just using the edge of our picture frame to sort of crop these two figures. And what it does is it implies that the action is too big to be contained inside the picture frame, or it's moving from our space into the picture frame. And this is a very cinematic kind of device. And so I'd like you to make at least one montage where you use this particular idea. The second idea that we see is with Degas at the races. He used this column, or the pole that he saw at the races, to kind of divide the space. And I would like you to sort of do the same thing. Now, you have to try to find a way. Oops, I made my column fall over. You've got to try to find a way to balance this space with this space. It could be you need to put both figures, or more images in this space and less in this space. Maybe this figure needs to be smaller. It's just something to play with. But mostly what I'm interested in is that you use this column to divide this space. Another idea is you can put the column in the middle and then kind of crowd or make it block the view of the action that is going on behind it. It creates kind of another interesting idea that you could explore. Okay, so for the last thing I want you to do is I want you to take an image. In this case, I've got some green peppers. And you could use the figure. You could use any number of things, but I want you to crop it in such a way that at least at first glance, it's kind of unrecognizable. You can't really tell what it is. I'm just going to crop this piece of this green pepper. Now, you can no longer really tell that that's a green pepper. And so those are the three ideas I would like you to explore in this project where we're making use of cropped edges. You need to make at least 4 montages, and so I'm giving you kind of 3 ideas, and you can invent your own compositional idea to go along with those 3 ideas, or you can make multiples of one of these ideas. But you should have 4 montages that express at least 3 different ideas.